Hey guys, welcome to this problem. We're going to find the remaining 5 trig functions for this situation, where we're in quadrant 3 and the sine of theta equals -4/5. So we can sketch it out first. Then this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, and quadrant 3. This is quadrant 4. So quadrant 3 is over here. So we can just draw any old triangle here. Doesn't have to be to scale. Now it says the sine is -4/5. That means that the opposite needs to be -4 and the hypotenuse is 5, because sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Then we know this is going to be a 3, 4, 5 triangle. And since it's going backwards, it's -3. If you didn't recognize this 3, 4, 5 triangle, you would just go x squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. And that would become x equals 3 when you solved it. And it's negative because it's going backwards. So now we can find the remaining 5 trig functions. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's -3/5. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, so it's -4 over -3, which is 4/3, because the negatives cancel. Cosecant, you're going to flip the sign, so it's -5/4. The secant, you're going to flip the cosine, so it's -5/3. And the cotangent, you're going to flip the tangent, so it's 3/4. That's it. So anytime you see these types of problems, you just identify the quadrant, draw a triangle that represents what they've given you, find the remaining piece, and then identify the 5 trig functions. We'll talk soon.